Mindmeister is a great tool to use both in educational and in a company setting. What's really nice about here is I have what we call a main topic, and it is Google Tools. So this Mindmeister is really focused on Google Tools. And what I have are 6 relevant branches off my main topic. And in addition, what I have is I have a connection between 2 of those branches. So here's my Google Forms, and I have examples of Google Forms connected to it, which is really nice. So if you have some place you want them to go or something that's connected, you can also do those branches. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Up on the screen, what you have is my main topic. And right here, what's really nice is throughout Mindmeister, you can add a variety of different items. So for example, let's say you have a comment. Maybe there's a spot you want to leave a comment. So for this example, we're focusing on 5 areas of Google. But you want to leave a little message saying, hey, there's also other areas such as Google Voice and Google Sites. So you can leave little comments. Let's say there's a task or something you want to complete. Maybe there's something that's a key point you want them to know. So that's really nice. Next, you can link to outside websites right here, and you can leave comments. So Google is a great tool to use. In addition, you can also vote. So this is really great. Maybe you're working in a group and you want to take a vote on which one's maybe the most important task to complete. So you can do things like this as well. Next, throughout your Mindmeister map, what you can do is you can incorporate videos. And this is really nice, especially if you want to show how something is done, or maybe you want to walk through a process with whoever is using your Mindmeister map. Next, what you can do is you can create tasks. And what we see here is a task for creating a Google form, and you can actually do several things. What priority is it? So in this example, it's priority 7 of the different tasks. Completion, there's 0% done. You can add a start date, a due date, duration for the project, and you can assign it to somebody on your team. In addition, what you can do is we have this link, and you can add additional outside sources and websites. So for example, here's an example here, and it goes to Google Forms, and you have these examples right in here that they can click on and work through. Next, you can include other tasks and additional videos. In addition, when a task is complete, you can set it to completion as well. Along with this, some really nice things is there's this addition. It's called Meister tasks, and what you can do is you can add members, and you can move things around. So open and progress done. So maybe you guys are working on things, and you can move them around. You can add sections, and you can rename them. Lastly, you can add icons and picture to enhance the presentation. And what's really nice is you can actually create slideshows here, and you can incorporate different transitions throughout.